Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore UI themes in Looker Studio after updates, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening Looker Studio on your preferred web browser. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Locate the report or dashboard where you want to restore the UI theme. Click on the specific report to open it. On the top menu, find the theme option. Click on Theme to reveal the theme settings. You will see the themes that were previously applied. Identify the theme you want to restore. If the theme is not visible, look for an Apply Default Theme option. Click on it to revert to the default settings. To customize, select Custom or Create New Theme. Adjust the colors, fonts, and styles as desired. Preview the changes to ensure they meet your expectations. Once satisfied, click the Save button to apply the new theme. Check that the theme is uniformly applied across all components. If necessary, revisit individual chart settings to ensure consistency. Review the report to see if any adjustments are needed. If required, repeat the customization process until achieving the desired look. Finally, save all changes before exiting the report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.